Hello everyone, take some hair from one side, taking a ponytail and then making two braids out of it and making this beautiful hats by using these clips. Next we're going to take a high ponytail and then adding this ribbon at the top. After that we are going to tie a bow like this and then dividing the pony into two parts. Then taking support of these ribbons we're going to make two braids like this and then securing them by using these rubber bands. After that you can see your hairstyle is ready. Next, we're going to take a ponytail and then taking two braids joined with that. Dividing the pony into two parts, adding two rubber bands, add some space and then folding them out once. Then we are going to fold them out into each other and making this bun. Taking the remaining hair and converting all of them into a bun and securing it tightly. And now you can see your hairstyle is almost ready. You can even apply some more accessories to it as per your choice. Next, we're going to section our hair into two parts. At one side, we're going to start making a braid by taking little amount of hair from one side like this and just covering the all hair. Then we are going to secure the braid by a rubber band, repeating the same with the other side as well. And now your hairstyle is ready.